So in this video, I'm going to be comparing the Shun Premier 8-inch chef's knife to the Miyabi Mizu and the Miyabi Artisan. I say that because they are both the exact same knife in terms of the blade. The only difference is the Artisan has this brown pack-of-wood handle, and the Mizu is the same exact blade, but with this black handle with the red trim. Other than that, the blade is going to be exactly the same. So in terms of that, I want to say off the bat, the Mizu and the Artisan are far superior in every single way to the Shun. Off the bat, the Shun and the Artisan and the Mizu are all handmade, but the Miyabi is completely handmade from start to scratch, while the Shun is essentially automated handmade, and that really shows through in terms of the final result. First off, every single edge of the Miyabi has been rounded out and polished, so there are no sharp corners anywhere but the sharp edge of the knife. And on top of that, the entire handle is completely flush where everything meets together. If you run your finger here, you can't feel any raises, any drops, or any gaps. The actual logo on the back is also carved, so it's extremely crisp, extremely clean, and just looks really, really nice. By contrast, the Shun has just 90-degree angles everywhere. There's actually a little tiny burr here too. It is not flush when you compare the handle to the actual blade. You can feel a little lip there, a little burr. And they stamp the logo into the back so you can see where the material has been pushed out of the way. The actual cutting cores are extremely different too. The Shun uses VG Max steel, which is very hard, 61 hardness. But the Miyabi uses SG2, which is a powdered steel and is insanely hard. It's in 63 hardness, which means realistically you're probably never going to have this knife sharpened. Finally, the actual cutting angles are extremely different too. The Shun is a relatively very, very sharp 16-degree angle, but the Miyabi is hand sharpened using their 3-step process, and it's down to a crazy, crazy, crazy 9-degree angle. So it's almost 50% thinner than the Shun, which means it is insanely sharp, all things considering. The Shun has 34 layers of stainless steel worked into the blade, which gives you this Damascus finish you can see on the bottom, plus it has a hammered finish on the top. The Miyabi has another layer of SG2 on either side of the blade, which gives you this wave design and the little haze you see, which I think looks really nice, plus, of course, the hammered finish at the top as well. Both knives obviously full tang. The Miyabi has a rosewood handle, the Shun has a brown pack-of-wood handle. Both have gold trim. The Miyabi also has red trim, which I think really makes it pop, while the handle of this one is a composite. Not the same blade, obviously, but the same handle. And it does have the red trim on either side, which really makes it pop too. I personally prefer the handle of the Mizu. Either way, though, I think they are both great knives, but I think that what really matters is the fact that this knife has such attention to detail. And when you really look at it, there's one thing that stands out the most, and that's this stupid little pin right there. This little pin is actually not one piece. It is about 15 to 20 little tiny pieces of bronze and copper and steel that have been placed in a mosaic pattern and pressed in and smoothed out. So it really shows you how much heart goes into each one of these knives, and I think that makes a big difference. At the end of the day, better material, much sharper, amazing fit finish, and believe it or not, it is cheaper than the Shun Premier. I think it is a no-brainer regardless of whether you want the rosewood handle on this or the black handle on this. The Mizu and the Artisan are both amazing knives. I, again, personally prefer the black handle, but it just depends on what you want. Either way, I'll put a link down to both below. If you guys have any questions, any comments, or any concerns, let me know. And otherwise, I will talk to you very soon. So in this video, I'm going to be comparing the Shun Premier 8-inch chef's knife to the Miyabi Mizu and the Miyabi Artisan. I say that because they are both the exact same knife in terms of the blade. The only difference is the Artisan has this brown pack-of-wood handle, and the Mizu is the same exact blade, but with